Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how we can bypass a passcode locked iPhone device and unlock it without losing any file and data. If we happen to forget our passcode or if the iPhone becomes unavailable, we will see how to bypass it and open it using a bypass unlock tool. Follow this video to the end and let's get into the video. Okay, now I will show you there's an iPhone that is locked with a passcode. We will see how to unlock it using bypass unlock tool. Now, let's go directly and open our bypass unlock tool. Now let's connect our phone to the computer. Now when I connect my phone here, it showed me all the stuff the bypass unlock tool has read my phone. So at the bottom, I press that screen unlock option. That's what I'll do. Okay, now when you press the screen unlock button, it starts the process. Until the process finishes, we shouldn't disconnect the phone. We should wait patiently for our phone to be unlocked. Okay, now here, I'll speed it up a little because it takes a few minutes for it to be unlocked. So I'll try to show it to you quickly and simply. Remember, no matter how long it takes, you must not disconnect your phone. You have to keep your phone connected the whole time until the process finishes. You have to wait patiently. For those of you who want this service, you can download our bypass unlock tool. Then you get your serial number registered and you'll be able to unlock your phone however you want. It has activation lock, iCloud, and also screen lock and MDM removal. So unlock your iPhone with our tool and unlock your world. By downloading the bypass unlocked tool software, you can send your serial number right away over Telegram or email. Then you can start unlocking your phone and using it. Okay, now as you can see, my phone has started. So it's not asking for a passcode anymore. When I swipe up, it didn't ask for the passcode. It has automatically removed our passcode. You too can remove your passcode this way without losing any files or data. Thanks for watching.